Tada.
Ja. Oh. Oh, danke schön. Guck mal. Ja, tschüssi.
Should we push the bike out?
Yeah,
Nein, das ist okay.
it's here.
Okay.
Sure.
No, but
This is halt
is
Das ist der Original, oder?
that's the original sunstand? So get on it for the first time.
Oh, look at this. Guck mal. Ooh. And I can sit on it just fine. Not a problem.
The proudest
Oh, where's
punch.
I? Yeah. Yeah, I like this bike. I've been waiting for this moment.
Yeah,
It's cool, isn't it?
yeah.
The ABS is blinking.
It will for a little bit, yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Are you ready for your
Yes.
first ride?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh, jetzt bringe ich sie nach Hause. Finally bringing the bike home. So geeked. Wow, it has really cooled off, hasn't it?
My RT says it's 16.
Okay. Oh, I love this bike, honey. I love the
Yeah.
dials. I love the feel, the way it sits on the road.
We're gonna go left at the light. It's a little bit easier
Okay.
way.
Oh, this is so cool.
Are you a happy camper?
Oh, can't you tell?
Yes, I can. See, even though I'm turning right, I'm staying in the left tire track
Yeah.
so that you can pull up next to me.
Okay.
But then when we go towards the intersection, you let me get ahead of you.
Yeah. Okay.
So as we start to go here, you don't go until my right tire
Okay.
clears yours, like right now. See, I will still stay wide, but the point is in this corner,
Yeah.
if I gotta dip in or out, I don't have to worry about me hitting you.
Yeah.
So whenever we're moving, you're never next to me.
Yeah.
Only when we come up to a stop.
Yeah. I have the brights on. I can tell just by the way it's hitting everything.
Things. Yeah. Well, here, let's pull over here.
Mhm. Behind you?
Let's find out where this is.
Ah,
There,
there
now
in
you're
the.
on low beam.
No. See? Now it's off. Okay. So where is it?
It's right here.
Uh-huh.
See?
High?
No, now that's high.
Now
see?
it's high. Okay.
Or wait, no, that's. Oh yeah, that's high.
That's high.
That's high.
Yeah.
Now
Now
that's-
now it should be normal
No, no.
because I don't see anything here in the display.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we should be good then.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Annie.
Bitte. Rain, rain, go
Yeah.
away.
Come again another day.
Yeah, the bike fits you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. I like it.
Oh yeah, I like the turn signal that's
Yeah?
blinking down there. Yeah, that's all LED. So you want to be over in the
I want to be a little bit further over. Yeah, you can go ahead now, honey.
in the left tire track,
Yeah.
honey.
I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Oh, I love this bike, honey.
Okay.
I
good.
already love it.
Yeah, next year we'll have you on an R2.
Yeah. Woo!
I can hear the raindrops hitting your helmet.
Yeah.
See, because I have a nice big windscreen.
Yeah. So you hear the tick, 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 tick.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Wow, it's getting worse coming into Elsen now. Oh, this bike is so easy to ride. I mean, I'm here in 4th gear doing 41.
Yeah, I'm in 3rd.
Yeah. Oh, but I love the seat height now. I really do.
I'm going to get Bettina pulling into the driveway for the first time.
Oh,
Here she comes. I can hear her.
yeah. Whoa.
Oh, the bike looks good on you. Yeah, just put your feet down.
Yeah,
And then,
it's not taking 1st gear. I wonder why. I have the
what
clutch.
gear is it in?
Neutral.
Let go of the clutch a little bit, then now try it. Pull the clutch back in and now try it.
Ah.
It's magic.
Ah, okay.
Put the kickstand down.
Yeah. My butt got wet.
Yeah. We're all a
And my
little wet.
gloves and everything. That's funny. Oh, now it's home, honey.
Yeah. Now she's home, huh?
Yeah. Letting her dry.
Huh?
Letting her get dry.